Here we go. 2015 Chevy Express high top conversion van, Explorer, limited SE, fully loaded out, 77,000 original miles, gorgeous black, two-tone leather interior, clean Carfax, rust-free Southern van, beautiful shape, a gorgeous black van, chrome wheels, hard loaded with every option, navigation, backup camera, rear entertainment, the whole nine. Call the van man, the real van man. Ask for Jeff, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help. 46 years in business. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. We accept trade-ins. Any type, you let us know. We can ship worldwide. Happy to help with any questions you might have. Give you the full tour of this van. It's gorgeous inside and out. Needs absolutely nothing at all. Beautifully kept. Gorgeous wheels. Nice tires. Firestones. Plenty of tread depth left on them. Super, super nice. Hardly even a bug chip on the front of this van. It's beautiful. Previous owner took very good care of it. You could tell they babied it. Laser straight down the sides. Gorgeous black pearl paint. Does have a backup camera. Does have a power folding bench seat bed. Navigation, satellite. Got all your manuals. TV, LEDs inside. Everything is working and functioning. There's your bed. Look at that beautiful two-tone leather interior. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, ask for Jeff or Ken. Ask for the real van man. $77,000 original miles, no accidents, non-smoker, beautiful two-tone leather. Look at that leather, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous wood grain everywhere. The only flaw in this van I see is there's a little bit of fading in the carpet from age. That's it, and it's very common on this year model van. If you look back in some of our videos, you could see we buy and sell a lot of vans, and these year models, the carpet does get a little faded. Otherwise, this thing is in perfect shape. Look at that gorgeous rear bench seat bed. This is gorgeous. This thing is super duper nice. Got all your USB connections, TV, DVD, limo lighting everywhere, white LEDs, all very, very classy. Center console cooler. That are your controls, remote control, Blu-ray player. Got your headsets here in the side compartment, kick panel. Big screen navigation, like I said, backup camera. Everything works. No warning lights, no nothing. This thing is ready to rock and roll, 77,000 miles. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 46 years in business, Boca Raton, Florida. Check us out, only 5-star reviews. Listen, when we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away a handicap van to a lucky person. So give us a like, give us a follow, check us out. This is what we do. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us. This is a 6-liter V8, 2500 series. Beautiful. Thank you.